Alright, it's recording. This is Mackenzie being retarded.
I want to record that one.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, well,
Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it?
What?
Whose turn is it? Whose turn is
Go
it?
at the same exact time.
Okay, well, let's go.
Okay, no. Okay, we're going to do Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti, and it looks like that. Okay.
Well, I don't want to do Stinky Socks and Tutti
Well, that's what
Frutti.
we're doing.
Well, I get to pick mine.
No, you don't. No, you
which
don't.
one is the Tutti Socks?
Pink one.
A pink one? Okay.
Wait, we didn't count it first.
All right. We're doing this stupid game.
Okay, ready? Go.
Go. Don't lie.
I couldn't tell at first. What did you get, Daddy? Tutti Frutti?
Mm-hmm.
I hate Tutti Frutti. Showed his face. He wasn't even gonna dare to do it.
All right.
Ah, you got a bad one.
No, I just.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was a Tutti Frutti.
You're a liar.
No, I'm not a liar.
Okay, next one we are going to be doing the white one, which is coconut or baby wipes.
Coconut or baby wipes? Well, baby wipes it is.
Tastes like perfume.
Yeah.
You guys both got
Ugh.
baby wipes. Daddy and me got baby wipes before. I got coconut.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Oh, I hate coconut. Okay, no, I like coconut. Next one is booger or juicy pear.
Oh,
Daddy-
well, you should be right at home because you like eating boogers.
Oh yes, I got juicy pear.
Yeah, booger. Yeah.
You should have shoved it up to your nose. Okay. It's booger.
Oh, let's try a blue one. Come on.
Okay. It's either toothpaste or berry blue. I like toothpaste. Guys, I got toothpaste.
I got baby blue.
I don't like the berry blue. Me either. I like the toothpaste. I like the toothpaste.
Berry blue's good.
I want it. Here, come in. Toothpaste.
All right. Let's do this one now.
Rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
All right, let's go.
Buttered popcorn.
Rotten egg.
I don't want to eat it though. Okay, the blue one. No, they're delicious.
All right,
Okay,
let's
next
do
one is-
this orange one.
No, that's the worst one. Peach or bar.
Here we go. Yuck. That's disgusting. All right, black one. Black one.
No, that one's gonna be the last one.
No, black one. Let's
I'm
go.
gonna do that one right now.
All right.
We'll do some moldy cheese or butter. Moldy cheese or caramel corn. Moldy cheese. Daddy got
Yeah.
caramel corn. I don't want to eat it though. I hate caramel corn. I like heavy corn though.
All right.
Okay. Next one.
Guess that's it, right?
No. This one. This one's lime or lawn clipping. I got grass. Lime clipping.
What was the other one?
Lime. Lime clipping.
No, that's what I got. Lime.
Okay. The next one is this one. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Ew.
What did you get, Daddy? I just ate the blue. Be prepared. I just ate toothpaste or berry blue. I like both of them. You'll know right away.
Don't taste. Oh, chocolate pudding.
Okay, and last one. The worst one of them all, I feel like. Skunk spray or black licorice. Now, I don't like black licorice, so there's like no win for me.
Can't eat no more of that chocolate pudding. Tastes
Okay.
like chocolate ass.
Both face.
What the hell was that shit?
Skunk spray.
Ugh. They should call it ass spray. Ugh.
Okay, so that was our Boo Boo challenge.
Bye.
Bye.